myself. Good afternoon, one and all. We are here to discuss on career counseling aspects. I am Abhishek from Distance Education Sikkim Manipal University. You students, aspiring students, ready, somebody could be working professional, somebody would be just into college, somebody could be who is just a 12th standard pass out, yet to join college, could be aspiring different careers, could be aspiring different industries as of now, could be trying to enhance their knowledge, trying to enhance their career in some form or the other. Let me see how far can I help you all. I assure you that I'll surely come out with I'll surely understand your problem and surely will come out with a solution so that we can, both of us can work together to build upon your career. Our focus is customer satisfaction. Our focus is giving you the best of quality. Our focus is student who will get to know a particular specialization completely. There are different professional courses, there are different career-oriented courses, there are different application courses. We have courses in undergraduate, we have courses in postgraduate. Undergraduate courses, BCA, BSc IT, BBA. Similarly, master courses like we have the MBA there, we have the MSc IT, we have also allied health, we have different disciplines, we have IT, information technology discipline, we have management discipline. Go through it. Let's visit SMUDE website, Sikkim Manipal University, Directorate of Distance Education website, smude.edu.in. Let's look at this. So what is it? We have various disciplines. We have 12 disciplines over here, IT, management, commerce, we have telecom, we have allied health. Allied health in terms of you have diploma courses, you have bachelor courses, you have master's courses. So let us see, you throw upon me questions, I surely come out with a solution to enhance your career. Yeah, you have a question.
Yes, Abhishek. That is, I am working in a company. Right now, I need a solution from you that which course I can join. Actually, I finished my BSc Electronics, and as a working professional, I cannot reach out a real-time class like
normal students do, right?
Situation. So I am choosing distance education from your Manipal Universal Learning. Then what course I can do?
Okay, distance education. Let us put me in the first frame. Thank you, Anto, for the question. There could be many others who are working professional, aspiring to a career to get enhance their career. In fact, I can say that enhance the working professionals who do not have the time to go to the regular time classes. Could be time, could be responsibilities, could be the age. When we think that we should enhance a career professionally, so what do we do? As of your case, you say you're a sales manager into some organization. See, now let's take some XYZ case who is a sales manager in a IT company. He sells software, but he feels that he lacks that management competencies. He feels that at a certain point of time, when he would be done with his field sales, there is a point when he needs to analyze it managerially. He has to become a manager. What is a manager? There is a difference between a manager and who's a sales guy. There is a difference between who takes a management. Management is all about taking decisions. So for you, for your instance, let me go back to your question is, which course would you like to go to? So if we see there are various indications over here, various disciplines over here, since you are into IT. So what I would suggest to you is, why don't you, and you have a experience of, I think 7 years of experience into the IT industry. So 7 years of rich experience you have. Now what is, you have a step in your career. We need to step up. Step up where? Yeah, of course, there is a management discipline there. There is a management MBA course there, which is a 2-year course. We have the flexibility of extending it to 4 years. You take a semester, 6 months of semester, say from, we have 2 drives, August and February. You start next February. February to July, you do a semester. You feel there's a work pressure after that, so you skip the next semester. You can rejoin again for the second semester in February 2010. So you have these gaps, flexibility of distance education. So you can go in with MBA with a specialization in information systems. Information systems would be if you are basically willing to stay into your industry. Shall we go to the next question, please? Ask me a question. You're just 12th pass. What do you do now?
Well, I just passed 12th, but then I'm not interested in studying further. Would like to look if there are any vocational courses or anything that I can do to get a job-oriented course.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your question. How I would address your question is, I would presume that you run into your family business after your 12th standard, and you would now try to, could be some form of family business that you have. I suppose you told me your business of computers is your family business. So why don't you, since you don't have the time and rather don't want to go in for further studies, is why don't you enroll into a IT course? Since your business is about computers, so you could enhance yourself in a BCA course. BCA, I would say distance education, because it would be easier for both ways. For a campus-based learning, you need to go into a college, stay in a hostel, attend regular classes. But in a distance education course, you need not do that. You can do your classes at your convenience, basically, distance. And taking distance out of education, it's education also. It doesn't matter whether this guy over here who goes into a regular campus program into BCA, and you go into BCA from SMU distance education. The type of methodology that we have, I guarantee you, if you 100% follow the education methodology, you would be a better BCA out. So what we are trying at our end is taking distance out of the education. Taking distance out of the distance education makes it education. So if you go in for a BCA course, like if you look at here, which is a BCA course, which is a 3-year course. Now, this could be helpful. You could do your exams at your base.
For a moment,
yeah.
Can I do a BCA even without clearing 12th?
No. See, there are certain eligibility criteria. Now let me emphasize on that we are a university. We need to follow the norms and rules and regulations of the UGC. There are norms. See, and now if you understand there is a eligibility criteria. What is eligibility? Eligibility is my minimum criterion what I should know into before going to BCA. I cannot write my BCA first semester exams until and unless I know maths, because the first semester BCA would have a subject called C programming, where they would they could have asked me a question on programming, how to integrate 1 by x, what is the result. So until and unless I know the integration function, so that is what eligibility is all about, is a minimum criterion that I should have. So these are some things which, since being a university, now you're sitting at home, you can earn a university degree, you can run your own business, and plus you have your qualifications at your base. So these are some of the benefits that you will have. I hope I'm clear with, and hope to all see in one of the alumni of SMUD. Thank you. Done?